Today I'm going to show you how to unclog a drain or prevent a clog. Over time, various impurities such as grease, hair, and debris accumulate in the drain, which can result in slow water flow. These impurities gradually settle, creating potential problems such as clogging or reduced water flow. This can lead to the need to call a plumber and additional financial expenses. So watch the video till the end to avoid this. We will use ingredients that you probably have at home, and if you don't, they are affordable and easily available. So let's start in order. In a small bowl, pour about 100 milliliters of dishwashing detergent, which has a fantastic power to dissolve grease. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt is useful for unclogging drains due to its abrasive properties and ability to dissolve accumulated impurities. It also acts as a natural antiseptic, helping to suppress bacteria in the pipes, thus reducing the possibility of unpleasant odors. Then add 100 milliliters of vinegar, which helps break down grease and other impurities in the pipes, making them easier to remove. Also, vinegar has antimicrobial properties, which can help fight bacteria in the drain. Mix everything until the mixture is thickened, which is good because it will last longer in the pipes. If the liquid is too thick, add another 100 milliliters of water and mix everything well. Now we will add another ingredient, but directly into the drain. Before you go to sleep, when you are no longer using the drain, pour 1 tablespoon of baking soda down the drain. Then pour the mixture you made. Baking soda and vinegar will create a reaction, which further promotes the dissolution of deposits and the cleaning of drains. Leave everything to act overnight. In the morning, close the sink and fill it with hot water. When the sink is full, open the lid so that the strong pressure of the hot water flushes out all the dissolved impurities. It should be noted that this will not solve severe blockages, which are not caused by hair or fat, but will certainly soften them. Repeat this once a month and the drain will never be clogged again. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 7 powerful ways to unclog a drain naturally. Thanks for watching and bye for now.